Unlocking the mysteries of the universe, life aboard the International Space Station. As the sun sets, a bright star traverses the sky. It's the International Space Station, humanity's dwelling in the cosmos. Whirling at 17,500 miles per hour, this microgravity laboratory enables groundbreaking research not possible on Earth. The ISS, a symbol of global collaboration and exploration. Here, astronauts live and work for months. They conduct experiments ranging from human biology to physics, contributing to scientific advancements and humanity's understanding of space. Life in microgravity is challenging. The human body adapts, bones thin, muscles shrink. But the constant research helps mitigate these effects, creating a safer space journey. Astronauts' daily life is a meticulous routine, working, exercising, eating rehydrated food, and sleeping vertically. Life aboard is unique and filled with extraordinary views of our home planet. The research aboard the ISS transcends terrestrial boundaries, benefiting us on Earth. This includes advances in medicine, environmental systems, and even disaster response. As we gaze at the night sky, the ISS reminds us of what humanity can achieve. It's more than a station. It's hope in microgravity.